My tip for you today is don't talk about your features, talk about the value that your features give your customers. This is going to be surprising, but your customers don't really want your product. They want what your product will do for their lives. Here's an example. This is made popular by one of my favorite marketers, Seth Godin. It's the idea of a 1/4-inch drill bit. You probably own a 1/4-inch drill bit. You probably have gone to the hardware store and bought a drill bit. But the reality is no one wants a 1/4-inch drill bit, even though everybody has one. What they really want, the reason you buy a 1/4-inch drill bit is because you want to make a 1/4-inch hole. But nobody really wants a hole. The reason you want to make a hole is so you can hang a shelf. But the reason you don't really want a shelf, the reason you're hanging the shelf is because you want something to put your books on or put your decorations on. But you don't really want that. What you really want is to feel organized or to feel decluttered. Nobody wants a 1/4-inch drill bit. They want to feel organized and decluttered. So when you're communicating about your product, don't talk about the 1/4-inch drill bit and the features and how fast it is and the angle, because people don't care. What they care is how this 1/4-inch drill bit will make your life better. It'll help you feel organized. It'll help reduce clutter. Talk about the value and how it changes their lives.